Good morning, all of you. In my yesterday video, I have explained you people the price mechanism meaning, okay, and the two elements of price mechanism, that is prices and market, okay. And I have explained you people under market you have to write the meaning of market, okay, and the two types of market, all right, and it is the market where the two forces of demand and supply operates. So we have completed the meaning and elements of price mechanism. Today we will do the functions of price mechanism, children, okay. The functions of price mechanism, we have to do nothing much. You have to just remember the heading and one line or two line you have to write. Like, see the first function, open your book, page number 72, instruments for determining the level of economic activity. What is an instrument to determine the level of economic activity? Price mechanism, okay. In a capitalistic economic system, all right, price mechanism is the instrument which help in determining the level of economic activity, okay. So that is the first function. So under first function, what you will write? Instrument for determining the level of economic activity. In that, write down, before instrument you write price mechanism is the instrument for determining the level of economic activities like production, consumption, saving, investment in capitalistic economic system. I am repeating again what you have to write in the first point. Price mechanism is the instrument for determining the level of economic activities. And what are economic activities? Like production, consumption, saving, investment, etc. in capitalistic economic system. So in capitalistic economic system, all the economic activities are determined through price mechanism. Second function, coordination of economic decision. Yes, it is the price mechanism. So you see the fourth line, okay. All economic decision taken by large number of individuals using market prices are coordinated through price mechanism. Only this much. So all the important economic decision, all the important economic decisions are taken by the large number of individuals using market prices, and these market prices are coordinated through the price mechanism. Is it clear? So coordination of economic decision is also under price mechanism is done by market prices. Is it? That's why we have already studied what we have studied, that price is one of the most important element of price mechanism. Is it clear? Then guiding force for consumer. Yes, guiding force for consumer means price mechanism guides to the consumers in taking consumption decision. So guiding force for consumer, what you have to write under this? Write down, it is the price mechanism which guides the consumer in taking the decision of consumption, okay, and saving. Consumer does two things. One is consumption, one is saving. Who guides a consumer in under capitalistic economic system? It is the price mechanism. Okay, so it is the price mechanism which give the guidance to the consumer to take his economic decision, that is consumption and saving. And how a consumer takes economic decision of consumption and saving? Through the help of prices. And prices are determined through the two forces, demand and supply, under price mechanism. Okay, then determination of factor income. Number fourth point, what is factor income? Factor income is the income earned by the factors of production. Factor income is the remuneration to different factors of production. What are the factors of production? We have done in chapter 2. Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And landowner sells his land, labor gives his services, capitalist gives his capital, entrepreneur organizes all the factors of production. So whatever services they are providing, they are getting the reward and the remuneration. That reward or remuneration is called factor income. Okay, now it is the price mechanism under capitalistic economic system which determines the factor income also. what will be the factor income, how much wages will be given to the labor, how much rent will be given to the landowner, what will be the interest of the capitalist, what will be the profit of the entrepreneur. All is decided through price mechanism. Is it clear? Then number 5, guide to producers. Yes, not only the price mechanism guides to consumer, price mechanism also give guidance to consumer producers. Now what are the guidance? Like what commodity to be produced, what quantity of different commodities to be produced, what should be the price of the commodity. All these guidance a producer get through price mechanism. Okay, then next function, allocation of resources. It is the price mechanism which allocate the resources. What is the meaning of allocation? Distribution of resources. Okay, then determination of saving. Price mechanism also determines the saving. And the last one, bringing flexibility in the economy. Yes, price mechanism help in bringing the flexibility in the economy. Changes in the economy, changes are the frequent phenomena, and that flexibility and that changes are maintained by the price mechanism. Is it clear? So under the functions of price mechanism, now what you people have to write, please see and underline from the book. Okay, now see all of you. You see the first function, instruments for determining the level of economic activity. What you have to write before instrument? You have to write price mechanism. Okay, is the instrument for determining the level of economic activities like production, consumption, saving, investment, technological development, etc. Till here. Second point, coordination of economic decision. All economic decisions taken by large number of individuals using market prices are coordinated through price mechanism. Okay, then third point, guiding force for consumer. Okay, price mechanism help consumers in determining the level as well as the consumption of composition of consumption expenditure. Price mechanism plays an important role in determining the factor income in factor market. Okay, and the level of income determines the total consumption expenditure by the households. Till here. Okay, till here you people have to underline. Then third point, then fourth point is determination of factor income. Price mechanism plays a useful role in determining the remuneration paid to different factors of production like wages, rent, interest, profit. Only this much. Okay, then guiding force. The decision of the producer regarding what commodity to be produced, what quantity of different commodities to be produced are guided by price mechanism. Till here. Is it clear? Then allocation. Price mechanism help in determining the allocation of scarce resources to the production of various goods and services so as to maximize total profit. Then determination of saving. Price mechanism help in the determination of saving by household. Okay, till here. Then after that, saving is determined among other things by the rate of interest prevailing in the capital market. Rate of interest is determined in the factor market. Thus money income and interest determines the saving made by every individual. This much you people have to write. And the last point, price mechanism incorporate flexibility in free changes in preferences and taste of the consumers, supply conditions, technique of production, etc. lead to changes in product, and thus economy responds to various changes which ensure smooth functioning of the economy. So these are the functions of price mechanism which I have completed today. And tomorrow I am going to do that how price mechanism solve the three basic problem, that is what to produce, for whom to produce, and how to produce. Is it clear? For today only this much. Thank you, children.